If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature on AliExpress, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or name at the top of the page. Step 3. Find subscription management. Look for a section labeled subscriptions or membership within your account settings. This is where you can manage any active subscriptions. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. In the subscriptions section, locate the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it to view the details and options available. Step 5. Cancel auto renewal. Find the option to cancel auto renewal or unsubscribe. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation, ensuring that you receive a confirmation message. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto renewal feature on AliExpress. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to customer support for assistance.